Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module. Engineer, Ibrahim Hamd. Human Resource Information and Salaries Record. You will find all information about the employee like employee ID, name, gender, employee department, job title, email, location, and so on. Human Resource Information Record example for that employee ID. 49. Employee name. Amil Mahmoud Mohammed. Gender. Female. Department. Spare parts inventory. Department manager. Mazin Ashraf Ella. Job status. Active. Job position. Maintenance technician. Location code. 74. Location name. Red Sea.1. Email. amal_m@red_d.org. LGOCATION address. For DAC area. Let us going to Employee Salary Slip Record.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module. Engineer, Ibrahim Hamd. A salary slip or payslip is a record or a document issued by the employer to the employees. It comprises the breakdown of salary components, deductions and allowances. The payslip can be either a printed document or a soft copy mailed or delivered electronically to the employees every month. Employee Salary Slip Record. Employee ID. 49. Employee Name. Amil Mahmoud Mohammed. Department. Spare Parts Inventory. Salary date December 19, 2021. Insurance basic amount equals 5,000 EGP. Insurance variable amount equals 3,000 EGP. Previous annual raises amount equals 1,200 EGP. Allowances amount equals 1,200 EGP. Social insurance deduction amount equals 800 EGP. Absence amount equals 450 EGP. Attendance delay amount equals 400 EGP. Penalties amount equals 700 EGP. Gross amount equals 10,500 EGP. Taxable amount equals 8,150 EGP. Income tax deduction amount equals 490 EGP. Last year annual raise amount equals 100 EGP. Net salary amount equals 7,660 EGP.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module. Engineer, Ibrahim Hamd. Employee Disciplinary Record. These records can include date, type of offenses, type of warning, description of infraction, and so on. Disciplinary record for that employee. Date created December 19, 2021. Type of offenses: absenteeism, work quantity or quality, damage or theft of company property. Type of warning: first warning. Now let us go to employee training record. Employee training record. These records can include starting date of training, numbers of hours, training description and so on. Training record example for that employee. Starting date of training: December 19, 2021. Numbers of hours: 20 hours. Training description: maintenance assets management benefits.